Feels nice. Hi guys. Nandito naman kami sa Robe Hotel La Mer. Dito pa rin sa Dubai. Part of our Robe Hotel discount hopping. Sinasamantala namin ng discount. Si Madam ang punot dulo ng lahat. So siya ang mga nakakalam ng mga ganitong discount. And bibigyan namin kayo ng konting room tour. So pagpasok mo, ganun pa rin kamukha dun sa dati sa Robe Expo City. So may access card ka syempre. And then sa elevator, makakaakyat ka, makakababa kung meron kang access card. So ito naman yung washroom. As usual, malinis din syempre. Syempre may towels, may shower gel, shampoos, and may telepono sa CR. So in case, maybe emergency, kamukha din sa Robe Expo City. May bidet, which is very important. Maganda, malinis. Yan, so may baso, syempre kung magtututbrush ka. Basta malinis ang Robe La Mer. So ito yung pinaka-inodoro, malinis. And dito naman tayo sa pagpasok mo. So pagpasok mo, yung makikita ka na magandang, ito yung parang breaker. So ginawa nila ng magandang artwork. Then, may mirror. And then, pagpasok mo yun, makikita mo. Yan, meron kang parang cabinet dito to put your things, your bags. Andiyan yung bag namin. And then, may mini ref. Yung laman ng mini ref. Walang laman ng mini ref. Kasi depende sa inyo kung bibili kayo sa labas. And then, andiyan yung maleta. Naka-ready na. May safe box. Kung meron kang importante ilalagay. Which wala namang kami ilalagay. Sa mga Muslim, yan, may Quran. Telepono syempre, lamp. At andyan ang ating model para sa bed. Di ba? And then, king size ba ito ba? King size bed. And ito yung parang pwedeng working station, coffee table, o kahit na anong tawag nyo yan. And then, maganda yung upuan, maganda yung accent, the color. And then, meron siyang isang maliit na couch. May magandang paintings and TV while Madam is watching there. Yan. And then, dito, sa view, so ito lang yung makikita nyo, but the beach is just a minute away. Andun siya. Ayun. Okay. So makikita nyo yung beach doon and then may access din kayo sa beach paglabas nyo syempre dito. Yan lang guys. So ito lang yung makikita nyo sa Robe Hotel La Mer. Okay guys, so mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung labas. Beach, pool, anything na pwede ko pa i-share. Lunch tayo guys. Lunch tayo guys kasi syempre mahal ang pagkain dito. So nag-order na lang kami sa Kita. Order kami ng Chowking. And then, ang habol lang namin is yung staycation. Hindi yung magwaldas ng magwaldas. Right.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak onto the main floor. On the night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take the long way home. Tonight we're free to roam. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. I'm on my good bus going. I've got no way of knowing what tomorrow's gonna bring me. Not gonna worry. Everything's gonna be alright.
Hi guys, galing kami ng Dubai Mall. We just window shop.
Window shop, nag-shop ka.
Bumili ako sa Zara.
Ano ito? Ano ito?
Bumili ako ng pants. Naka-sale ang Zara today. Ayan, a shirt. This. And pants. pants na medyo baggy. Okay, and then we bought some food because ayaw namin kumain dito, mas mahal. Got noodles, and I bought salad, may egg. Yung kakainin namin mamaya. Bread, banana bread. Then si Pepe ko bumili ng chicken and fried rice. And
Hello?
3-in-1 na coffee. Yun lang guys. Nabatingin ka. Be. Hi guys, tapos na kami mag-swimming. Ngayon naman, kakain kami ng dinner. Medyo nakakapagod ang araw ngayon. Dahil marami kami ginawang swimming. Swimming sa beach, swimming sa pool. Oh, hindi ba? Naghihilig na. Kain muna kami.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me, I just feel weight.
Hi guys, so yun na nga, nakakain kami. Ngayon naman, it's 8:30. Medyo nakakapagod nga talaga ang pagsiswimming. Kaya inaantok na kami at kami matutulog na. At bukas naman ang aming susunod na clip, right? Good morning guys. Day 2. Mamaya i-check out natin kami sa lobby. Hello guys, lunch kami, day 2, mamaya pa uwi na. Lunch kami, then mamaya magtatambog kami sa swimming pool and sa beach. Di ba?
Ano?
Hindi daw. Ano daw eh? Basta yun, magla-lunch kami doon. Eto guys, in-order namin sa Jollibee. Ayan o. Ayan kay Bebe, burger, fries, ako may rice, tapos may spaghetti, chicken, and ano tawag dyan? Burger patty. So yun na guys, kain muna tayo. Day 2 guys, nandito kami sa pool area. Hindi kami magsaswimming sa beach kasi malabo ang tubig. Hindi na sinasarap. Hi guys, we're checking out 36 hours. Ayun na nga, check out na kami. Hindi madam. After 36 hours ng La Mierda dito sa La Mer, sa Robe La Mer. Uuwi na kami. Back to reality. Maganda naman ang experience namin. Ito ulit yung room. Ito ang iniwanan namin. Malinis naman. Siyempre yung bed, papalitan naman nila yan. So, ganyan na yan. And si Bebe, inayos pa. Nag-ayos pa siya. Housekeeping. Ayan yung sofa. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung labas. Yan lang guys. Check out na guys. Yung labas, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Inalabas ng Robe La Mer.